If you're planning to study business in France in 2026, choosing the right school can completely change your career path. France has some of the best business schools in the world, but not all of them offer the same opportunities. Network or return on investment. So in this video, we're focusing on 3 of the best options you should seriously consider, depending on your goals. Let's go straight into it. First, HEC Paris. This is widely considered the #1 business school in France, and consistently ranked among the top globally. HEC is especially strong in programs like the Master in Management and MBA. One of the biggest advantages here is reputation. When you graduate from HEC, your degree carries weight, not just in France, but internationally. Employers in consulting, finance, and tech recognize the brand immediately. Another key factor is salary outcomes. Graduates from HEC often land high-paying roles in companies like consulting firms, investment banks, and global corporations. Now, let's talk about admissions. Getting into HEC is very competitive. You'll typically need a strong academic background, high test scores, like GMAT or GRE for some programs, solid extracurriculars or work experience, and of course, tuition is high, especially for international students. So this is best for people who are aiming for top-tier careers and are ready to compete at a high level. Next, INSEAD is one of the most unique business schools in the world. It offers a 1-year MBA program, which is shorter than most traditional MBAs. That means you save time and return to the job market faster, which can be a huge financial advantage. But what really makes INSEAD stand out is its global focus. Students come from all over the world, and the school has campuses in multiple countries. So the network you build here is truly international. This is especially valuable if you want to work abroad or in multinational companies. Career outcomes are also very strong. INSEAD graduates often move into consulting, tech, and leadership roles across different regions. Now, something important to consider: the pace. Because it's a 1-year program, everything moves fast. It's intense, demanding, and not ideal if you prefer a slower learning environment. Also, most students already have work experience before applying, so this is not typically for complete beginners. Finally, ESSEC Business School. ESSEC is another top-tier school, but what makes it different is flexibility. Their Master in Management program allows you to customize your journey. You can choose different specializations, international exchanges, internships in different industries. This makes ESSE a great option if you're still exploring your career path. Another advantage is its strong connection with companies, especially in Europe and Asia. So if you're interested in working internationally, but want a bit more flexibility compared to INSEAD, this is a strong option. Admissions are still competitive, but generally slightly more accessible compared to HEC. And in terms of cost, it can also be more manageable depending on the program. Now, let's quickly compare them. HEC Paris is best if you want prestige, top salaries, and elite career paths. INSEAD is best if you want a fast MBA and a global career. ESSEC is best if you want flexibility and time to explore different opportunities. Last tip before you apply: don't just choose based on rankings. Think about your career goals, your budget, whether you prefer a fast or flexible program, and where you want to work after graduation, because the best school is the one that fits your personal strategy. Take your time, do your research, and choose wisely.